Memberships can be purchased online or in venue. Let's look at how to sell a membership in your venue. To start, add your membership to the cart. You will notice a blue bubble above the membership line item. This is the membership start date. By default, this is set to today's date. If your guest wishes to begin their membership in the future, click Edit and select their preferred date. This will determine when your guests can redeem their membership and also when their recurring payments will begin. All membership bookings require a booking holder. You will be prompted to add an existing or new guest to the booking. If your venue requires waivers, you will also be prompted to add a waiver to the membership being purchased. Guests must sign a waiver either online or using a self-serve kiosk before purchasing a membership on the POS. For a fixed payment membership, any tender type may be selected. For recurring payment memberships, you will need to pre-authorize a card for ongoing payments. Select Card and click Pay and Collect Details. You will be prompted to enter the guest's credit card details. Click Authorize to finish the purchase.